Hello dear student. Welcome to religion class of standard 10. Today I will explain about speech from chapter 13 of your textbook. So today's topic's name is speech. At first we will know what do you mean by speech. Actually it is a kind of atmosphere in which unity prevails, in which we are free from feeling of fear, tension, anger, of any violence and compulsion. It is an atmosphere which is very conducive to human development. Jesus is named the Prince of Peace since he has come to offer peace to mankind. After his resurrection, he appeared to his apostles, and his first word is to them where peace be with you. Role of leaders in establishing peace. All levels of people in the society desire peace. So, in order to live a peaceful life, we make many kinds of effort. Important powers and responsibility are given to leaders and teachers in the society. The teacher must educate students. Soldiers and police are given responsibility to protect the country. Some people die for peace. Pope John Paul strongly called everyone to stop the violence. He requested all people of the nation to stand against violence. With the theme of the World Peace Day, not violence, we want peace. Now, role of students in establishing peace. The role of students is very important in establishing peace in our society. The life of a student is a preparation for future involvement in building the society. In this students face challenges and temptations that can lead them astray, even towards becoming demanding, responsible, and violent. This will lead to frustration and loss of peace of mind. Factors which play the fundamental role in establishing peace are personal values, social values, moral values, and spiritual values. So, a student must gain knowledge, competence, motivation, and values. This will lead to building a peaceful society and country. Besides gaining human values, the following factors are also important in establishing peace. Now I am going to explain the factors that are very important to establish peace in the society. First factor: avoiding intoxicating drugs. Many students spoil their lives and future by taking drugs. This is the time for formation and growth, to understand properly good and evil, so as to take proper decisions for life. Students must say not to any kind of intoxication and drugs, and to strongly encourage others in the same attitude. Next point: optimistic worldview. Student life is the time to grow and blossom. There is need for a positive attitude in everything. Basically, instead of being critical about most things and uncooperative, they should judge people and movement favorably. Try to determine what is good and follow such leadership with enthusiasm. Creativity. It is most important for a student. During student years, one can even do something considered impossible and discover something new. Therefore, this is the best time to express one's creativity. The human mind is limitless. In this scope, may our students make use of such powers to contribute from their own abilities and initiative. Punctuality. Punctuality is also very important during the time of student life. If students have the sense of punctuality, they will be able to gain much more from the opportunities given. A punctual person lives an orderly life. Self-confidence. Trust in your own abilities. Insofar as one is confident in his or herself, he or she can more readily lead others. So, develop your self confidence in order to get the most out of your opportunities. Now, justice. By learning and practicing justice, students prepare themselves to stand for justice in all aspects of life. Justice and peace go hand in hand. There can be no peace where there is injustice or violence. Friendship. Friendship is a loving relationship between persons. It depends on mutual love and respect. Friendship unites people. This is a very helpful means to establish peace. So, in this class, we have discussed many characteristics that help to bring peace in the society. Students should practice these characteristics for establishing peace in the society. I think not only a student but also as a human being, we all should follow these characteristics to establish peace in the world. I hope you understood it. Goodbye, student.